MJ sent me for free. Thank you so much, MJ. They sent me the Rainbow High Fashion Studio, Avery. So she's a glam fashion designer that everyone in Rainbow High looks up to. And here we have one of our dolls, Jade. So let's open her up and take a closer look. Yay! So here's everything out the package. So let's get a closer look at our doll. So here she is. She has beautiful makeup on. Her eyes are very adorable. And here is her hair. So it's like purple with these rainbow strands. That's super cool. And here's her outfit she's wearing right now. So she's wearing a top that says rainbow with a tiny rainbow. And this dress with a belt. And these adorable shoes. And they have these beautiful rainbow in the back. It's super cute. So she also comes with 5 bobby pins. Here's a blue one, so she can wear them or you can wear them. And 4 different pairs of shoes, so she's wearing these. And then here are the other ones. Let me show you them. Because they are very adorable. These little bobby pins. So they come in this box and you have to open them. Let's take them out. So here are one pair. They have these glittery stars on them. These are super cute. These remind me of a pop star. So here are the second pair of shoes. A purple bow in the front and this real, ooh, they have moons in the back. That's super cool. So they also come with another box so you can put these shoes inside. And the next box is pretty big because these shoes are really tall and rainbow. So let's open it up. Doo-doo. Doo. So here are the shoes. They're really tall, so here's purple, here's blue and orange, red and green. So it's a whole rainbow in a shoe. That's super cool. So now let me show you the outfits. So we have this rainbow glitter jacket. This looks super cool. If I seen it in real life, you know me, I'll buy it. We have this one. This one's a red one. So it has this shirt and this right here and it says sparkle. See what else we have. Whoa, this looks super cool. It's a pink glittery dress. Let's see, right here is a light pink. Oops. We have a hoodie, little jacket, this pink polka dot. And in the front it says sparkle. Let's see what else we have. So we have this yellow skirt with some rainbow suspenders. Very adorable. And now we have this yellow shirt that says Anti-Sparkle Sparkle Club. That's really cute. Now let's see what else we have. We have this purple skirt. And we have another shirt. It's purple. It says, "Don't call me doll." And then right here, she has some jeans. And these are blue, my favorite color. And it also comes with this golden rack. And look, it actually moves. Zoom, zoom. And the best part is that you can actually change the wig. So it can either be this purple rainbow one or this hot pink sparkly one. So I'm gonna teach you how to take off the wig and put it back on. Take it off right here. Here's the wig. So let's take off her wig. So here she is. She has really beautiful makeup. And her eyelashes are actually real. It's super cool. So now let's put the hot pink wig on her. So she has this hole back here and the wig has a little, this right here, so you can put it back in, just like that. Let's put the wig on. Whoa, that was really simple and fast. So let's get our brush and comb out the hair. There you go. So here she is with the pink wig on. She looks super adorable. Hey, how about we dress me up so we can have a fashion show? That's a great idea. Yes, time to dress her up. So here's her first outfit. She's all pink. Hi everyone. She's very adorable from her head all the way to her feet. This is super cool outfit. I think we could choose another outfit. Let me see. How about these two purple ones? Okay, coming right up. Here she is, and she's all dressed in purple. She looks super cool. Here are her heels. She's wearing these ones. Let's see, what outfit shall I wear next? I don't know. Let's go pick one out. I'm thinking, how about these two? Okay. So here she is in her other outfit. This one's a red outfit. She has a red top and blue jeans and these amazing glittery shoes that have stars on it. Yay, this is super cool. Let's see, what else? Oh, there's only one more outfit left. I'll get these with these amazing tall shoes. Let's see how I look like. This must be one of my favorite outfits. It's super cool. Thank you so much, MJ, for sending me. Avery, hope you enjoyed my video. Bye, everyone. Bye.